At KCF, our purpose has always been clear: build technology to elevate people. This purpose drives our mission to eliminate unplanned downtime across industry, reduce waste, and create safer work environments. For more than 2 decades, we have worked side by side with manufacturers to prevent failures before they happen, protect people from unsafe conditions, and help companies achieve new levels of performance and efficiency. We have deeply studied the root causes of asset health challenges, including normal wear and tear, care, configuration, and condition. Knowing that 80% of unplanned downtime can be prevented, we know we must address lubrication head-on. Studies show that over 60% of bearing failures are linked directly to poor or improper lubrication. That means if we ignore lubrication, we are leaving the single biggest cause of premature machine failure on the table. That's where FUCHS comes in. FUCHS is the world's largest independent lubrication supplier. And what impressed us most is not only their global reach, but their relentless investment in innovation. Each year, they consistently invest back into R&D to create formulations and solutions that address the toughest industrial challenges. From the very beginning of our conversations, it was clear: FUCHS and KCF share the same vision. We both believe in helping customers achieve world-class reliability. We both believe that the future of maintenance isn't about reacting to failures. It's about proactively preventing them. And that's why this partnership is so powerful. By combining FUCHS' world-class lubrication expertise with KCF's real-time monitoring and AI-powered analytics, we have created an industry-leading, unified machine health platform. In one place, customers can now access vibration diagnostics and customized lubrication recommendations, all validated in real time. In traditional programs, when lubrication issues surface, the customer is left to play the role of coordinator, juggling between predictive maintenance activities, lubrication experts, oil labs, and site staff. That hub and spoke model is slow, costly, and too often leaves critical insights stranded. With the KCF FUCHS partnership, that burden disappears. Instead of putting the customer in the middle, we connect the right experts from the start. It is a seamless, closed-loop workflow that accelerates problem solving, extends asset life, reduces downtime, and increases ROI, while giving customers back the most valuable resource of all: their time, to focus on higher impact priorities. And we have already seen this approach deliver real results. In one recent pilot with a global manufacturer of railcar components, our platform identified lubrication degradation in a critical gearbox. Left unchecked, it could have led to catastrophic failure, enormous downtime, costly repairs, and safety risks. Instead, our combined teams caught it early, intervened at the right moment, and avoided the failure entirely. The customer not only avoided disaster, but also shifted to a proactive strategy that now includes continuous monitoring and oil analysis. That's the kind of transformation this partnership makes possible. But beyond the individual case studies, what excites me most is the bigger picture. Together, FUCHS and KCF are helping manufacturers move away from reactive firefighting toward true proactive action. We're giving them the ability to measure, in real time, how lubrication decisions impact machine health, asset life, and operating costs. And we're equipping them with the confidence to act earlier, smarter, and more sustainably. I'm very proud of what this partnership represents. 2 companies united by a shared commitment to innovation, sustainability, and customer success. Together, KCF and FUCHS are delivering a new level of service, redefining what's possible in predictive maintenance and moving closer to a world with zero downtime and zero waste.